Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Nice to see you on this Friday morning. It is a nice, brisk, cool morning here in Richmond, but I'm not here to do the weather, so let's get on with this video. I have finally put my new wheels on the car. They're on there in all glory, and I didn't know how I was going to like them at first, but I do kind of like them. They are, let me give you a refresher what's on them. They have the Mickey Thompson 305 3530s on the rear, the street ETs, and on the front they have the street comps, which is the 275 3520s. So let me show you that. I got my other wheels sitting right over there, and I wanted to show you something on them. I must have done it at the track or whatever, but I didn't feel it in the tire, but we'll see what y'all think. Hold on real fast. All right, here are my old wheels. I am not selling these, I'm keeping these. So sorry guys. And then what I was saying about the tires, if you look there, there's a chunk missing there. A big chunk missing there, and it's like that all around this tire. It seems to be that particular tire. Well, no, there's a chunk out of that one too right there. So I'm assuming from doing my little burnouts or at the track or whatever, though that seemed to happen. I never felt it in the tire itself, and it never acted weird, so I left it at that. But yeah, so let's go show y'all. Hold on, let me flip this around. All right, let's go show you the car with the new wheels on there. That's what you're here for anyway. So like I said, I know I used the same thumbnail as my previous video, but I didn't want to put them out on the video and then be like, okay, I know what he got. So we'll be right there. Hold on. All right, everybody, here is the car from the rear, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see that real well. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh, I can't zoom in it. It's got some meat on it. It's not that big of a difference for me because that's what I was running anyways, a 305. But like I said, these are the drag radials. So they are a whole lot more stickier than the other tires, so they don't spin as much. But like I said, they are definitely a grippy tire. It's all I've ever used. I've talked to other people, and you know, they said the NT 555Rs are pretty good, but for, I guess, everyday use, these are a lot better for the compound. But, you know, to each his own. But let's swing over this way, show you what I got. There they are. They are the RTR Aero 7s. I want to thank Tommy from Sinister Productions, because he kind of threw the scent my way about these tires and wheels. I mean, the wheels themselves. I wasn't planning on getting a new set of wheels before I saw these. The whole story behind it was that I was going to go ahead. Hold on real quick. Okay, sorry about that. The whole story behind these wheels, what I was trying to do is get in touch with Verde and just get two the back tires that I already own, so I could just throw the Mickey Thompsons on there and keep my front ones on there as normal. So when I go to the track, I just switch them in and out and that type of stuff. Or when winter comes, you know, that way I'll have that set put away and still run with the same matching set. I couldn't get them to give me a good deal on two wheels. I've always dealt with them, and I've spent bukus of money with them, and you know, they try to help me out, I guess. But you know, I bought all four of these wheels for the price of two of theirs to go on there, so I couldn't pass that up, you know. And I want to say it was an error from the company that I bought it from, but because you look at them now, they're $350 a tire, a wheel, versus what I paid for, which is almost 75% less. So thanks for your error. But like I said, that's how these came about. And like you saw, I had the rear tires already, so I had to get the front ones. So there's this guy named Nick in PA that he was selling the front 2 tires for $250. Anybody that's bought Mickey Thompson knows that those tires are like $220 by themselves each. So I went ahead and grabbed those, but I got kind of screwed in the shipping because they told me it was one thing and I had to pay another, but I still ended up being cheaper than buying the 2 tires when they were, but it wasn't as great of a deal. But that's not neither here or there. But speaking about screwing up, since that's where I'm going with this, I have the tire pressure sensor monitors in these tires also, but your boy decided to go a little cheap, so I went through Amazon, and I was reading some reviews on these and whatever. I'm like, well, I got the training kit, the training tool, the little remote. I was like, yeah, I can go ahead and train these. They tend to not tell you that these are blank sensors, so you have to take them or program them with a programmer first, and then you go ahead and train them to your car. So I called Ford today. It was like $125 to do that, and I'm just like, well, I could buy a brand new set already ready to go from American Muscle for, you know, $245. I mean, excuse me, $145. So like I said, I'll probably go that route, or if any of y'all have a place where y'all get them, let me know, and I'll go ahead and grab them from there. Other than that, that's what they are. I'm going to go back to the wheels and show you those. I just wanted to tell you the little story, because sometimes cheap does not mean that it's going to work out for you. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't, but you know, this time it didn't work out for me. Right now I don't have a light on it, but eventually it's going to pop on and irritate me. Or maybe it won't and I'll just deal with it without it. I don't know. Or is there somebody that knows how to program into the thing and just turn that light off totally? Because who really needs a tire pressure sensor light anyway? Okay, I'll catch you in a second. And that is, I guess, from the sunny side right there. So what do y'all think about these wheels? I'll shoot up a picture of what it used to look like with the other Veridays on there, and let me know what y'all think. Everybody always says the black wheels look at. Now it kind of looks like I'm doing a whole GT500 because I got the stripes, the banner. All I needed is to change that out for a Cobra in the front and ham there. So, but let me know what y'all think. That's pretty much the video. Like I said, that's what I got. I hope you like them. I do. Like I said, I didn't know how I was going to like the thick part of the rim like that, but it actually looks pretty good. And with the brakes in the back, the Brimbos, it does look pretty nice. So I can't complain too much about that. And then like again over here, you know, I got the big Mickey Thompsons on there. So, and they're 305s and they are grippy. So we may go to the track tonight. And then if so, that'll be a whole different video. But I just wanted to thank y'all for being patient. Like I said, it took me a minute to get these on here, but they are on there. I hope y'all like the look of it. And that's what I'm going to go with today. So hold on and let's close. All right. So we're letting it all go now. Shadow is back there lurking still. We're going to decide to keep her. If you saw my last video, people aren't giving me what I want for it, or I'm too high, or they just don't, whatever. It doesn't matter. We'll just keep her and we'll enjoy her, especially like days today, 50-some degrees outside, dropping the top and rolling out. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. My best part of my videos are y'all, because I don't do this unless y'all are watching. So we'll catch you on the next video. It might be at the track. Who knows what we're doing. Later on, Derek's coming over and we're going to do some stuff over here, but that's for another day. All right, talk to you later. Peace.